So I got this cute wood box from the thrift store, and it's very sturdy, and I'm going to make this a gift box for my dad for Father's Day. I got this cute metal wall hanging or door hanging truck that you see here from the Dollar Tree. I'm taking off the twine, which allows it to hang. I'm going to put the metal truck on the box, using these 2 screws to adhere it down to the box. Drill bit in to make the holes for the screws. Placing the truck back on the box to get it just right and to make little marks where the holes are, where the screws are going to go, using a pencil. Drilling time. Drilling the holes, changing the bit to put in the screws. It's that easy. We have a cute functional box that he can put different items in the garage or photos in, but I'm not done yet. I'm going to paint the inside of the box to make the box just have a little pop of color. I love slow motion. I decided to use this darker gray enamel paint because of its durability with putting like parts and stuff in the box. It won't get it scratched and just keeps it looking nice. First coat on. We'll definitely need a second. And here it is with the second coat. It looks nice. I really like how it pops against the lighter gray of the box. The gift box was super easy to do, but now we have to make the Father's Day gift. Storage box made, so now I'm going to actually make part of his gift. My dad loves the New Orleans Saints, so I got a picture of the logo for the Saints, which is the Fleur-de-lis, and I'm going to draw it out here and paint it on this scrap wood. It's great to have scrap wood because you have so many uses for it. Using the scrap wood to make favorite team logos is perfect wall art and a lot of fun to give to those that you care for and want to make a special gift. Everybody loves their teams. I just looked at this picture here that I printed out to look at to draw the Saints Fleur-de-lis logo. Now to start painting it. Using this gold enamel acrylic paint for the main portion of the fleur-de-lis here. Next I am trimming around that with a thin coat of black around the fleur-de-lis. All trimmed in black, and I trimmed around the black with white, which I'm not showing here, but you will see as I stain now the rest of the board. I'm having to use a small paintbrush to get the stain very close to the fleur-de-lis without getting it on the fleur-de-lis. I did not cut the scrap board yet to the appropriate length because it was dark and I didn't want to get wood dust in my garage, so I will do it after I paint it. I'm going to use my square here to make a mark for me to cut with a circular saw to make the wall plaque or wall art for my dad. So there's the line, clamping down the board. And here we go, let her rip. Brush off the dust, sand the edge of the board. Now I just have to put a hanger on the back so he can hang it on his wall. I measured it and found center, so now I'm just going to nail the little hanger onto the board. And there we have it. I'm going to put 2 pieces of white tissue paper into the box, so there's a little overhang. Now to put in the blue cargo shorts I got from my dad. Light blue short sleeve shirt that is a button down with a pocket, and hankies. He still uses hankies. A hole saw kit. Safety glasses. Always can have an extra pair of those. Let's check out his sports logo wall plaque or wall art before we put it in his gift box. I think it looks pretty good. Go Saints! When the Saints go marching in. Now to put in his sports logo plaque or wall art or wall decor. His Father's Day card will slide right in between the other items. Fixing the tissue paper just a bit. Look at this super fun Father's Day gift. A transformed gift box from the thrift store and scrap wood turned into some fun sports logo wall decor. I think it's poppin'. Happy Father's Day, Dad. Love those things. If you enjoyed this video, pop that subscribe button, like, and share. Thank you.